Let us start with an activity. Take a healthy, well-watered, potted plant that has been growing in the sun. Cover the plant with a polythene bag and tie its mouth. We can mark it as A. Tie the mouth of another empty polythene bag and mark it as B. Keep both the setups in sun. After few hours, observe the inner surface of the bags. We can see water droplets on the inner side of arrangement A, whereas there is no water vapor inside the polythene bag B. How does water vapor come on the inner side of polythene bag A? Water is lost from the surface of leaves in the form of vapor. This process is called transpiration. Transpiration plays a major role in filling the air with water vapor. This vapor is added to clouds which bring rain. Transpiration is a major factor in water cycle. Plants can absorb water through roots only when transpiration takes place. Thus, transpiration helps a plant for the absorption of water. Let's now discuss the second important function of leaf. That is, plant leaves make food for the all living beings through the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is the process of making food by green plants using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. What is the food made through photosynthesis? This food is called glucose. Glucose is stored as a starch in various parts of the plant. These parts can be root, stem, flowers, leaves, fruits, or seeds. We have done starch test on potatoes. How can we test the stored form of glucose, namely starch, in leaves? Take a small green leaf of a plant growing under sun. Dip the leaf in boiling water to kill it and make it soft. Turn off the flame. Take the leaf out of the beaker using a forceps. Put it in a boiling tube half filled with spirit. Keep the test tube in boiling water taken in the beaker. The spirit also starts boiling by the heat of water. After a few minutes, you can see the leaf losing its green color and turning yellow. Pour away the spirit, you can see the green color of leaf in spirit. Wash the leaf well in water. Take the leaf out and keep it on a white tile. Pour 2 drops of iodine solution on the leaf. You can see the leaf turning its color to dark blue. This activity proves that leaves contain starch in it. The same color change appeared when we tested starch in potato. How do we know that leaf has prepared the starch and not received from elsewhere? Take a healthy potted plant with green leaves. Keep it in a dark room for 1 to 2 days. After 2 days, keep the plant back in sunlight. Now cover the upper and lower sides of a leaf with black paper. Leave the plant in sunlight for 1 day. After 1 day, pluck the leaf and remove black papers from it. Do starch test on the leaf using spirit and iodine solution. You can see that the part of the leaf covered with black paper does not turn blue, whereas the other parts turning blue. This activity proves that plant food starch is made in leaves.